Hello everyone. In this video we'll discuss what are the different types of SEO. So primarily there are three different types of SEO. The first one is on-page SEO. This is anything which is on your web pages, which could be blogs, product pages, or your web copy. The second one is technical SEO. This is anything undertaken to improve search engine rankings, like site indexing to help bot crawling. The third type is off-page SEO. This is anything which happens away from your website or outside your website that helps with your SEO strategy. It also includes backlinks. Alright, so what is on-page SEO? We'll just take a brief detail into each of these types of SEO. So on-page SEO is the practice or technique of optimizing individual web pages to rank higher on search engine result pages or SERPs and get more relevant traffic. So the ultimate objective of doing any of this type of SEO is to get relevant and qualified traffic on your website so that traffic results in sales or leads, etc. So some of the on-page SEO factors include page content. So obviously you will have to have very good content which is plagiarism free. You should not be writing any copied content from other website. Right, title tags. Now this is another very important. You should have the right title tags on your website. Optimized URLs. Optimized URL structure is very important. You should not have a bad URL structure. Right. For example, Amazon.sa and then Amazon.sa/products, Amazon.sa/Samsung, Amazon.sa/ whatever it is. So it should be consistent, unified, and optimized. H tags. Now again, these are H1, H2, H3 all the way till H6. Each website should have one H1 tag, multiple H2, and H3 and H4 tags. Right? And image optimization. Again, image optimization means that you need to compress your images and make sure that you add the alt text of the image, etc. before you upload the image. Now this is about on-page SEO, but there are more factors in on-page, but we'll just discuss this very briefly. Now, what is off-page? Now, off-page SEO deals with the actions performed outside your website to improve rankings on search engine results pages. So anything that you do outside of your website, not on your website, outside your website to bring more qualified traffic to your website is called off-page. Right? What is that? That includes article submissions. For example, you are submitting some articles, free classified submissions. Now, if you remember before, there used to be classified submissions in newspapers, right? So you have here online submissions, forum posting. There are many forums on which you can post about your business. For example, Quora is one of very popular forum. Guest posting. Again, you can go and as a guest, you can write a blog or an article and then link your website on that particular forum. Blog commenting. You have a lot of blogs wherein you can go and comment and put forward your arguments, right? You can mention that this is the best company for any business and then put a link of your website. Q&A submissions, question answer submissions, again very popular off-page SEO. Uploading infographics, for example, on Pinterest, for example, you can upload infographics. There are many other platforms or websites where you can upload infographics and more. So anything that you do outside of your website to bring qualified traffic to your website is called off-page, right? Now finally, technical SEO, which is the subject of this course. Now technical SEO refers to improving the technical aspects of a website in order to increase or improve the ranking of the site on search engine result pages. So this is the technical aspects, whatever you do on your website. It includes optimizing the infrastructure of your website. So basically, whatever infrastructure you have with your website, you need to fix it. You need to make sure that it is up to date. So making a website faster, easier to crawl, index, and understandable for search engine are the pillars of technical SEO. Now you might have observed that I have highlighted crawl and index. The crawling and indexing is something which we'll look forward to in the next video. And as we go along in this course, I will show you on Google Search Console how you can crawl or submit your website pages for crawling and indexing. Right, this is a very popular term in technical SEO, crawling and indexing and rendering. This is something which you need to be familiar with. Right, many website owners overlook technical SEO because they think it's very complicated, and by its name itself, technical SEO, they think that this is something which web developers should do and digital marketers should not. Now this is a very big misconception. right? Because technical SEO is not difficult, it is very simple. And it's critical because it helps search engines crawl your website and rank it in the search engine to begin with. So when your website is created, when you create web pages on your website, you need to make sure that those pages are crawled and indexed by search engines, whether it is Google, whether it is Bing, whether it is Yahoo, Yandex, whatever it might be, whichever search engine it might be, right? You need to make sure that your pages are searchable on Google, Yahoo, or whatever, on search engine result pages. So to make that happen, you need to do the crawling and indexing. That is the first step in technical SEO, right? So the end benefit of technical SEO is that you are likely to generate more organic traffic if you have a fully optimized site. But there are countless individual benefits to implementing technical SEO. So no website can rank without technical SEO, because this is the very foundation on the basis of which your website will be discovered on Google. So in the coming videos, we'll dive deep into technical SEO, its features, elements, advantages. I'll be showing you a couple of tools as well that you can use, free tools in fact, that you can use to audit a website, because only if you audit any website, you will know where the website is lacking, right? Whether it is crawled, indexed, whether the schema markup is implemented or not, whether the 404 pages, the redirects are put up or not. So all of these factors of technical SEO we will discuss in the coming videos. So I'll see you in the next class.